Mexico City is the most congested city in America and second most congested in the world. 219 hours are wasted in traffic per person every year. What if, instead of sitting in traffic for an hour and a half, you could be at the airport in a matter of minutes? Mexico has the 8th largest number of engineering graduates in the world. It is the 4th destination of manufacturing investments in the aerospace sector, and Querétaro is the center. What if a last-minute change to your supply chain could be adjusted in only a day? Small and medium-sized cities are the fastest growing. Leon's population is projected to grow 75% by 2050. What will a transit-oriented development of the future look like when commutes between cities become minutes? Guadalajara is the Silicon Valley of Mexico. What if it took you only minutes instead of a day to interview at a leading tech company and make it back home in Mexico City for dinner? To improve Mexico's connectivity, the federal government launched the most ambitious infrastructure program ever. There are 223 ongoing transportation and communications projects with an investment of more than $100 billion. Building upon the most significant infrastructure projects, the Mex-Loop corridor will connect the second largest airport in the world to Querétaro, León, and Guadalajara. A Hyperloop cargo station to the north can be easily integrated into the airport's cargo terminals and infrastructure. Phase 1 is projected to serve 68 million people a year and 120 million by Phase 2. A Hyperloop passenger station to the south of the airport's passenger terminals will accommodate an already growing number of travelers. The Hyperloop station will be a hub connecting to the international airport as well as subways, buses, cars, helicopters, drones, and any other future innovative transportation solutions. Observatorio is an expanding intermodal hub. A potential expansion of the Hyperloop route could bring the western side of the city to the airport in minutes. Querétaro will be a key city for manufacturing Hyperloop components, offering an ideal foundation for a Hyperloop supply chain and headquarters. The station will be located around the already booming aeronautical industries to generate a new symbiotic relationship with potential Hyperloop industries and developments. León is the center of a constellation of smaller cities of historical and industrial significance. León and Guanajuato are part of the 34 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Mexico. The Hyperloop station can further detonate this potential growth for a network of rapidly expanding cities. At the forefront of innovation and technology, Jalisco is the first state in Mexico to have an innovation ministry. The Guadalajara Hyperloop station is strategically integrated with the public transportation network for ease of access to public facilities. Connecting the two largest cities in the country, Mexico City and Guadalajara, in only 27 minutes, Hyperloop could transform the entire region into a hyper-city. What happens when transportation connections link 35 million people in one of the world's most visited countries, with one of the fastest growing economies and one of the most advanced technology and manufacturing sectors? And what if you could take what happens there and bring it to the world? For Mexico, built in Mexico, for the world.